Alright, very welcome all to the channel guys and the video. And if you can remember the previous analysis that I have talked about yesterday and the previous all the couple of days, now you can see exactly as we predicted, market goes up from here to here and goes down, and now in a market in a critical level, which is a strong trend line area, the main trend line of this entire market uptrend, right? So now what will happen? Market will create another bullish up move by reversing from this area, or market goes down as we predicted. Well, let's see about that. But before we continue today analyze, just watch my previous analysis if you are new to this channel and the video, so that you can learn and watch how we predicted that market would go down from here to here, how we predicted market would go up from here to here, so on like that. Well, let's get into the chart over here right now. Why the market is straightly and strongly goes down just like that? The reason is dollar index. The dollar index is getting stronger, right? Dollar index and Bitcoin has a negative correlation. So when dollar index going up, the Bitcoin is going down, right? So now dollar is getting stronger, dollar is powering up. Because of that, we could be able to see more down move. But this line over here is kind of a critical level, right? Kind of a strong trend line over here. You can see for the past couple of months, when market tried to break this line, this resistance trend line reversed from this area, right? 2 times reversed from this area. So now, after about 3 weeks, I think, market reached to again that line over here. Yeah, of course, we could be able to see market halt or consolidations, right? This is kind of a strong area. But the thing is, if it creates another bullish up move, or if it creates some slow market upward pullback and break this line over here, or it straight comes down to over here, yeah, there's a potential for both sides, right? The market is strong. The buyers and sellers are very volatile over here, this area. So if buyers try to reverse from this area by creating some kind of a strong candle, just like this one, right? Just like this one, yeah, then we could be able to see another bullish up move around this area. This is a key level, 24,200 area. So we could be able to see this market bullish up move if buyers getting stronger from this area, like Israeli reverse up from this area with a strong candle like this. And if that doesn't happen, then we could be able to see market pullback, slow pullback up move as we marked down here, and then we'll create another market bearish down move after market pullback around this area, like just like that one, right? Just like that one, and create downside as exactly as we predicted, right? And then there's another potential move that could happen. This is the most important one. If sellers manage to break through this line over here, right, just like that, then there's another strong key level over here, which is 22,400 area, which is a strong level that's even reverse the previous areas too. With a strong up move, you can see this is a strong uptrend, and that started from this area. So if sellers manage to break through this line over here, yeah, we could be able to see a market bullish downtrend to here, and yeah, we'll create another weak slow up move. And there's one more point that market could happen. Market could create another fake market downward move. Fake means sellers will looks like breaking this area but comes back again to this area, right? If that happens, yeah, another bullish uptrend, another bullish signal could create around this area just like that. The same thing happened even here, right? Even here, right? Looks like try to break the line, comes back and reverse from this area. So these 3 scenarios could be happen in the near future, in the recent day, couple of hours maybe. Well, we could be able to see that within 1 or 2 days, right? The main scenarios is, first one, market could create a strong bullish up move with a strong candle just like this one. And if that happens, like, just like this one, right? If the buyers manage to create another strong green candle just like this one, same as the previous red candle, right? That means, yeah, starting point of another bullish up move, at least around to this area. But keep it remember that this market upward move is temporary, right? The main buyers are getting weaker, right? Main buyers are getting weaker when looking at this market structure over here, right? So this up move just like a pullback of this main downtrend, right? If that happens, right? The second scenario is buyers will try to make weak pullback up move, like sideways up market momentum around here. If that happens, there's a strong potential to create another bearish move just like this one to this area. The third scenario is this fake out move. Sellers will looks like try to break this line, and if comes back again to inside the trend line over here, that also means another bullish up move could happen, right? But currently sellers are getting stronger, right? Sellers are getting stronger. And now let's have a look at the S&P 500 for a moment. Now you can see yesterday, if you can remember my previous video, just watch my previous analyze video. I mentioned that S&P 500 and as well NASDAQ also create this kind of a weak bullish up move, and exactly now you can see market what happened. Create that sideways market movement for the upside, right? But Bitcoin is getting weaker than the S&P 500. The reason is this dollar index is powering up, right? Dollar is powering up, right? The reason is that, right? And however, let's have a look at the currency strength for a moment. Look at the chart. Another important stuff like yesterday, right? When we talk about yesterday video, the market was in the red side, USD and Bitcoin in the red side, and I mentioned that is some kind of unusual. USD and Bitcoin in the both side means that unusual. That could make Bitcoin reverse into the upside, and that happened yesterday. This weak bullish up move created because of that weak currency strength. And even today, USD and Bitcoin in the other side, that means Bitcoin is create more downward move, right? So usually when USD getting stronger, Bitcoin has to getting weaker. Of course, we can see that Bitcoin is getting weaker, but currency strength meter shows that Bitcoin also getting stronger. But that's kind of unusual, and this one also indicates us that, yeah, Bitcoin is more getting weak and weaker around here, right? So let's see what's going to happen. Currently, I can see sellers are getting stronger than the buyers, right? And keep remember the three scenarios that I mentioned. These things could happen. Currently, just a market pullback could create, weak up pullback could create, but sellers are strong. See you again, guys, with another video. Just do subscribe to the channel, guys, if you find these videos are useful. I'll see you with another Bitcoin analyze.